Assuming you're searching for step-in cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of step-in GMT will go from now on. We will dissect the previous costs of step-in GMT and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally inconceivable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of step-in is $725 and GMT is at present positioned #127 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of step-in is 1,367,824,719 with a market cap of $372,740,490. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.05% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. step-in is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The GMT is down to nearly 7.12% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Step-in value expectation adding machine. Our GMT expectation number cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models examine a huge swath of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give a complete forecast of step-in. Just information your ideal time period and see the expected anticipated worth of step-in. Our mini computer will produce an extensive rundown of month-to-month cost expectations. We foresee future step-in cost expectations can estimate by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized examination on the past value information of step-in. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the GMT coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, step-in market cap, step-in volume, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Step-in value forecast synopsis. The cost of 1 GMT would reach as high as $0.6058 by 2025. In a bullish situation, step-in could outperform the $271.03 mark for 2050, exhibiting likely vertical energy. Step-in GMT is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $3.49 continuously 2030. Continuous information shows step-in is exchanging at $0.2725. The negative cost expectation for step-in GMT in 2040 is $181.51, with a possible high of $216.69. Step-in value expectation 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2024 the cost of step-in is anticipated to reach at least degree of $548. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $4,000 with the typical exchanging cost of $657. Step-in value expectation 2025. The cost of step-in is anticipated to reach at least worth of $5,116 in 2025. The step-in cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $6,058 with the typical exchanging cost of $5,263 all through 2025. GMT value figure for 2026. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of step-in is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $0.7236. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.2832 with the typical worth of $0.7499. Step-in GMT value forecast 2027. Step-in cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.9879 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.116 with the typical estimate cost of $1.02. Step-in value forecast 2028. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of step-in is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.41. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.67 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.45. Step-in value forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, In 2029, the cost of stepn is gauged to be at around a base worth of $201. The stepn value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.44 with the typical exchanging worth of $209 in West. Stepn GMT value expectation 2030. The cost of one stepn is supposed to reach at any rate level of $305 in 2030. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $349 with the typical cost of $315 all through 2030. Stepn value conjecture 2 in 31. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at least degree of $441 in 2031. The stepn cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $537 with the typical cost of $454 all through 2031. Stepn GMT value expectation 2032. Stepn cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $663 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $784 with the typical gauge cost of $685. Stepn value forecast 2033. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at least worth of $9.14 in 2033. The stepn cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $11.54 with the typical exchanging cost of $9.48 all through 2033. Stepn value figure 2040. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute fundamentally to standard acknowledgement. In light of our stepn cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $181.51 and can reach as high as $216.69 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $194.98. GMT value gauge for 2050. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the innate vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Expansion and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key techniques for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our GMT cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a greatest cost of $271.03. While the base value worth of a stepn can be around $230.16 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $242.77 approximately. Stepn value conjecture facts. What amount will stepn be worth in 2030? As far as value, stepn has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels. It is figured that GMT will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business examiners, stepn can stir things up around town cost of $349 till 2030. What is the fate of stepn? The eventual fate of stepn is profoundly subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into GMT, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right technique. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a deviated risk profile. Notwithstanding, still a brilliant speculation for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, GMT likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation